Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best dog food for Great Danes you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Wellness Complete Health Natural Puppy Recipe Canned Food. Give your Great Dane puppy a healthy start in life with this all-natural, holistic canned food that includes quality sources of real animal protein like fresh chicken and salmon. On number 4, Orijen Puppy Large Dry Food Recipe. With 85% animal ingredients including meat, organs, and bones, this well-balanced dry food has been specially formulated for growing puppies of large breeds like your Great Dane. On number 3, Holistic Select Large and Giant Breed Natural Dry Food. This holistic natural recipe provides digestive health support for giant breeds like your Great Dane with prebiotics, probiotics, digestive enzymes, and natural fibers. On number 2, AvoDerm Natural Chicken and Rice Formula Canned Food. Fresh salmon and chicken provide protein, along with avocado, a healthy fat source. There are many biologically valuable nutrients in rice, potatoes, and carrots that can be digested. On number 1, Nutro Ultra Grain-Free Senior Pate Wet Food. A pate formula containing chicken, lamb, salmon, and nutrient-rich superfoods that is moist and easy on your dog's teeth. So guys, this was the video about the best dog food for Great Danes. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.